Now, we've had some practice at converting imperial units. What we're going to try now is a word problem, which is the case for a lot of the stuff. We'll do the basics, and then we'll get into the problems. In this case, we're starting with buying some baseboard for a bedroom. The perimeter of the bedroom, including closets and doorway, is 37 feet. First question, what length of baseboard is needed in yards and feet? Well, we know 1 yard equals 3 feet. From that, we also know we can make the assumption, is what I did in my head, is I multiplied that by 12 to get 36 feet. So that would give me times 12 yards. Why did I do that? Because it's the closest whole amount of yards I can get before I get to 37 feet. I have 36 feet plus 1 more foot equals 37 feet. Slide that over a bit. Equals 37 feet. What's cool about that? That means 36 feet is equal to 12 yards. So 12 yards, 1 foot, is 37 feet. Here's part A taken care of. Part B, it wants to know the baseboard material is sold by the yard. Costs $5.99 per yard. What is the cost of material before taxes? Well, we're going to pay $5.99 per yard. Per yard. I'm going to write this as a fraction like this. That's going to be equal to, now this is what I got to pay attention to. 37 feet is 12 yards, 1 foot. I can only buy it by the yard, so I'm going to need 13 yards. 12 yards wouldn't be enough material. So I have to buy 13 yards. I took 1, I multiplied it by 13 to get 13. So I'm going to take $5.99 and multiply it by 13 to get my cost. And I get $77.87. Oftentimes you're told, you know what, this is 12.33 yards. So I'd round down to 12 yards, but I wouldn't have enough material. That didn't end up on the screen. 12.33 yards wouldn't be enough material. If I round down to 12, I don't have enough material, so I always round up to make sure I have enough material. So 13 yards, 77.87. And that's solving a simple problem with converting units.